Hi again, and today we have the exciting solution using List.Generate, solving the same running total problem. So going to data from table/range, and I'm going to advanced editor. Then I come here and create a list using List.Generate. So using List.Generate, I'm going to say call this step generate. So generate sign equal to list.generate. Press enter. So the initial function, I'm going to start with a function without any parameter. I'm going to use a record approach. So I will say row number initiate to 0, comma, running total will be equal to column revenue. So source revenue 0. Then the next condition for continuation, I'm going to say each when this row should be less than table.row count of the table source. The function for the next value, I'm going to say each row I'm going to say each row should be the current row plus 1, comma, and running total should be equal to the current running total plus revenue source revenue in the current row. Okay, and also my selector function, I just want this running total, so I'm going to write this one. So I can test this generate, copy and paste here. Okay, so I get this running total, which is actually the truth values of running total. So I can come again here. Then the solution, my final result, I will just use table.from columns. I will use table.toColumns of the source table. Then this column I'm going to concatenate with generate. So this will be an extra column. So I'm going to convert previous table into columns, then add the new column, which is running total column. Then the columns is the original columns, table.column names from the original table, from the source. Then I will add the new column, the running total. Very simple. Copy and paste. There we are. As usual, I like to convert the table into proper table. If I click this table, you can see it is type any. If you want to use this in modeling, in Power BI, or in writing in Excel for Power Pivot for Excel, then you need to make sure that this is converted into a proper date. If you want especially to use date intelligence function, time intelligence functions. So I usually say from calls, then add another step here, call it the result, final step, call table.transform column types. Then from calls, from this date, type date. Okay, so it's okay. Perfect. So we have this one is a date data type. Then you close and load. There we are. So you can see this one at the beginning was 1092. Then if you add these two values, you can see here you get 2118, which is this one here. So the running total is okay. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I'll be covering the best practices for running total.